You show me the way, and now I can find my home in you. I still recall the times I've been through. Confused and didn't know what to do. I almost gave up, but you gave me hope.
Silel,
You made me strong.
happy birthday. Anong wish mo, Silel? Anong wish mo kay
Magdo-doktor lang.
Doktor? Ano pa? Anong grade ka na?
Kasi, ano?
Anong grade ka na?
To.
Grade 2? Saan ka nag-aaral?
Sa bahay.
Anong school?
You took me home and gave me your You always said to lend a helping hand.
Ano masisiring mo kan Ate Silel? Sabi mo, say happy birthday. Nakakawad ka, Day.
Wag kumain dyan, baby. Dito lang. Nakakita tayo sa CCTV.
Just a different way, but on my feet again. I'm not afraid to face the world again, 'cause you taught me how to be strong. You made me live again.
Dito si Auntie Mary, interviewin ko. At Ante, anong wish mo kay kay Silel sa birthday niya? Hindi narinig ni Ante. Hindi narinig ni Ante.
I-video kita.
Yan, daddy ni Silel.
Hindi ako makakaligo yan. Ang boss na lang ako makakaligo. Sabi ko kay Daddy, ito si ate niyang
Timsok pala di ba yun?
always.
Hindi yan ang timsok namin.
And when I see your eyes, I can't go on with life. It breaks your heart, but I just can't go on. Oh no, I've been away too long. Now I just can't go on. I've been away I've been away too long. Now I can be so strong. I've been away too long. Don't look that way to me. It hurt you so, I see. But I just can't go on with life. I give you all I have, so there is nothing left. I may be wrong, but I better go now. Oh no, I've been away too long. Now I just can't go on. I've been away too long. I've been away too long. Now I can be so strong. I've been away too long. La 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 la. La 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 la. I've been away too.
Let's get loud, let's get loud. Turn the music up and do it. Let's get loud, let's get loud. Turn the music up to hear that sound. Ain't nobody gotta tell you what you gotta do. If you wanna live your life, live it all the way and not to waste it.
May mapanis, may salad pa naman.
Every feeling, everything, can you be very sweet? You gotta taste it. You better do it. You better prove it. Come on now, do it. Prove it. Life's a party, make it hot. Dance, don't ever stop, whatever rhythm. Every minute, every day, take them all away. You gotta live well. Cause I'm living my life, you gotta do it. You gotta prove it. Do it. Prove it. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Turn the music up to hear that sound. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Ain't no what you wanna say. Go, you wanna go, just do it. Let's get loud, let's get loud. Turn the music up to hear that sound. Let's get loud, let's get loud. Ain't nobody gonna tell you what you gotta do. Let's get loud. Turn the music up to hear that sound. Let's get loud. Let's get loud. Anybody gonna tell you what you gotta do?
Tapos, concert ko yata to eh. They don't give me proper credit, I just walk away, yeah. They can beg and they can plead my name and take the light. As much the boy with a cold heart dashes always means so bright. 'Cause we are living in a material world, and I am a material world. Oh, not that we are living in a material world, and I am a material world.
Gagawin mo ang lahat para maging healthy at safe sila. Your health is their health. Kaya you can trust Wilkins Distilled, the water most recommended by doctors for kids and pregnant women. Dahil alam nila ang worth ng pamilya mo, kayo ay worth the world.
Para anak din. Oh. Bago abot nga ni Korea pala pinakan na kahapon na. Ako sir, alam ko na. Ah,